Hello everyone and welcome to numerical problem of trigonometry. There are different questions which is mainly asked in 2 marks in SEE exam, and the first problem is convert sine 6a into cos 4a into sum of difference of sine or cosine. So sine 6a into cos 4a is 1 by 2, uh, multiply 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 into 2 sine 6a into cos 4a, 1 by 2, we know sine a into cos formula for sine a cos b, sine a plus b into sine a minus b, then we can get 1 by 2 sine 10a plus sine 2a. And the next problem is, if 2 sine 2 theta equal to root 2, find the value of theta, and theta lie between 0 to 180 degree. So 2 sine 2 theta a equal to root 3, sine 2 theta equal to root 3 by 2, sine 2 theta equal to sine 60 or sine 120. So 2 theta equal to either 60 or 120, so theta equal to 30 or 60 degree. And the next problem is, prove that sine alpha plus sine alpha by 2 upon 1 plus cos alpha by 2 equal to tan alpha by 2. Then LHS is sine alpha plus sine alpha by 2 1 plus cos alpha by 2. In place of sine alpha we can write 2 sine alpha. This is the formula for sine alpha. 2 sine alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 plus this is already given sine alpha by 2 upon 1 plus cos square alpha. 1 plus cos alpha, in the place of 1 plus cos alpha you can write 1 plus cos square alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2. Then take in common sin alpha by 2, sin alpha by 2 2 cos alpha by 2 plus 1 in denominator, taking common cos alpha, so 2 cos alpha by 2 plus 1, this one and this one is cancelled, then sin alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2, sorry, sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2, then you can get tan alpha by 2. And next problem is solve 1 minus 3 tan square x equal to 0, and the value of x lies between 0 to 90 degree. So 1 minus 3 tan square x equal to 0, 1 equal to 3 tan square x, tan square x equal to 1 upon 3, so tan x equal to 1 by root 3, and we know the value of 1 by root 3 is tan 30 degree, so tan x equal to tan 30 degree and x equal to 30 degree. And our next problem is, if cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, prove that tan 15 equal to 2 minus root 3. We have cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. A equal to 30, so a by 2 equal to 30 by 2. Let a equal to 30, so a by 2 equal to 30 by both side by 2, then you can get 15 degree. And we know cos a equal to 1 minus tan square a by 2 upon 1 plus tan square a by 2. So in place of a, put 30. Cos 30 equal to 1 minus tan square a by 2 is 15. 1 plus tan square 15. Then root 3 by 2 equal to 1 minus tan square 15 plus upon 1 plus tan square 15. Cross multiply. After cross multiply you can get this equation. Then root 3 tan square 15 plus 2 tan square 15 equal to 2 minus root 3. And then tan square 15 equal to 15 root 3, taking common tan square 15, then 2 root 3 plus 2 equal to 2 minus 3, and tan square 15 equal to 2 minus root 3 into 2 minus 2 plus root 3, and dividing this part, then we can get for numerator and denominator, then you can get tan square 15 2 minus root 3 square upon 4 minus 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1, so 2 minus root 3 whole square by 1 is 2 minus root 3. In both sides we can see a square. So removing a square on both sides. Therefore we can get 10, 15 equal to 2 minus root 3. And our next problem is solve 4 sin x equal to 3 cosec x and the value of x lie between 0 to 180. 4 sin x equal to 3 by sin x. We know cosec x equal to 1 by sin x. So 3 by sin x. 4 sin a square equal to 3. Sin a square equal to 3 by 4. So sin x equal to plus minus root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 2. Sin x equal to sin plus minus root 3 by 2 or sin minus root 3 by 2. This is plus and this is minus. And sin root 3 plus root 3 by 16 and minus root 3 by 2 is 120. So x equal to 60 and 120, and our range is 0 to 180. So 60 and 120. And our next problem is find the value of 2 cos 75 into cos 15 without using calculator. 2 cos 75 plus 15. We know this is the formula for 2 cos a into cos b, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So cos 75 plus 15 plus cos 75 minus 15, that is 90 plus 60. This is the standard ratio. So cos 90 is 0 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore our final answer is 1 by 2. And the next problem is sin theta minus tan theta equal to 0. Solve this, and the value of theta lies between 0 to 180. So sin theta minus tan theta equal to 0. Sin theta, and in place of tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta. So simplifying this, sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta equal to 0. Sin theta into taking common sin theta into cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore sin theta equal to 0. Sin 0 is 0 or sin 180 is 0. So theta equal to 0 or 180. Or either cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So cos theta equal to 1, and the value of cos 0 is 1. So cos 0 or 180. So theta equal to 0 or 180. And our next problem is solve sin square theta by 2 minus sin square theta, sin theta by 2 plus 1 by 4 equal to 0, and theta lie between 0 to 90. Sin square theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 plus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Sin square theta and 2 sin. We can simplify, and in this equation such that it will be in a minus b whole square. So sin square theta 2 sin theta by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square equal to 0. This and this cancels, so sin theta by 2 as it is, and this is 1 by 4, so 1 by 2 whole square. So this we can write this equation as sin a minus b whole square, that is sin theta by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square equal to 0. So sin theta by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Sin theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta by 2 equal to sin 30 degree. So theta by 2 equal to 30 degree and theta equal to 60 degree. And our next problem is if sin alpha equal to 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a, prove that sin 3 alpha equal to minus 1 by 2 a cube plus 1 by a cube. And the given sin alpha equal to 1 by 2 a plus 1 by 2, prove sin 3 alpha equal to minus 1 by 2 a cube plus 1 by a cube. We know that sin 3 alpha equal to 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha. So in place of sin alpha we can write 1 by 2 a plus 1 by 2 minus again In this portion 1 by 2 plus 1 by a whole cube. And simplifying this, I can get 3 by 2 a plus 1 by a minus 1 by 2 a cube minus 3 by 2 a plus 1 by a minus 1 by 2 1 by a cube. Then this portion and this portion is cancelled. Take in common this and this, we can get 1 by 2 a cube plus 1 by a cube. We have to prove this. And the next problem is, prove that sin 4 beta plus cos 4 beta equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 sin square beta. So LHS is sin square beta whole square plus cos square beta whole square. Sin square beta plus cos square beta whole square minus 2 a square minus b square. Put the formula a square minus b square. So a square plus a plus b whole square minus 2 a square b square. So 2ab. Then in place of this we can write 1. So 1 square minus 4 sin square b into cos square b by 2. Then 1 minus 2 sin b cos b upon whole square upon 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2. In the place of this we can write sin square 2b. So 1 minus 1 by 2 sin square 2b. We have to prove this. Not b, this is beta. And next problem is, solve 1 minus tan square theta equal to minus 2 and theta lie between 0 to 90. So 1 minus tan square theta equal to minus 2. In place of tan square theta we can write sec square theta minus 1. So 1 minus sec square theta plus 1 equal to minus 2. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equal to sec square theta. So sec square theta equal to 4. And sec square theta equal to root under 4, so plus minus 2. Taking positive, sec theta equal to 2, that is the value of sec 60 is 2. So theta equal to 60 degree. And taking negatives, sec theta equal to minus 2, 120 degree. Therefore theta equal to 60 is our answer, because the value of theta ranges from 0 to 90 degree only. And next one is, prove that 1 minus 2 sin a cos a by 2 equal to sin square pi by 4 minus a. LHS 1 minus 2 sin a cos a upon 2. In the place of 1 we can write sin square a plus cos a square a minus 2 sin a cos a upon 2. And this whole we can write sin a minus cos a whole square by 2. And dividing this by, or we can write this equation as 1 by root 2 sin a minus 1 by root 2 cos a. 1 by root 2 is cos 45 degree and sin a. Again 1 by root 2 sin 45 degree cos a whole square. So sin a minus pi by 4 whole square. Sin square pi by 4 minus a. This is minus. So sin square pi by 4 minus a. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So sin square pi by 4 prove. And next problem is, prove that 6 sin pi radian by 18 minus 8 sin cube pi radian by 18 equal to 1. This is LHS. And taking 2 common, we can get 3 sin pi radian by 18 minus 4 sin cube pi radian by 18. So 2 sin 3 pi radian by 18. This is the formula for sin 3a. Then 2 into pi by radian by 6. That is 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. And again, the next problem is, prove that sin theta by 2 minus root under 1 plus sin theta by cos theta by 2 minus 1 plus sin theta equal to cot theta by 2. So in place of 1, we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta, both numerator and denominator. Then we can get this is sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 whole square, and this is again sin theta by cos theta whole square. So here is a square and here is also a square, so we can remove a root. Then you can get this equation. After getting this equation and simplify, you can sign this is plus and this is minus n, so this one is cancelled and this one is cancelled. We can get cos theta upon sin theta. So this minus and minus is cancelled. Cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta by 2. And the next problem is solve root 3 sec alpha plus 2 and sec alpha minus 2 equal to 0, and the value of alpha lie between 0 to 180 degree. And this is equation, this is already given in the question, and this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From 1, sec alpha equal to minus 2 by root 3, that is sec 150, sorry, sec 150, therefore alpha equal to 150. And from equation second, sec alpha equal to minus 2, so 60 degree, and alpha 60 degree, so alpha equal to 60, therefore alpha equal to 60 and 180 degree, sorry, 150 degree is our final answer. This question is asked in SE in 2 marks.